Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to change your profile picture on day 1 journal app. Now if you want to edit your photo or change the profile picture of day 1 journal app, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the day 1 journal app on a device. So if you have not installed the app, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you may just open the day 1 journal app on a device. So as you can see, this is the home page of day 1 journal app, where you'll see the options like journals and more at the very bottom taskbar, as well as the option like list, calendar, media and map at the very upper taskbar. So you may click on the profile icon at the very top right. So here are the settings option, where you'll see your name and all of it. So to change your profile picture, you may click on the option of your name, or you may simply click on your name, and the account settings will open on a device. So after opening the account settings, you will see the option of edit photo next to your name or the photo. So click on it, and here you may simply choose the color, or also choose the photo from the camera roll, or you may simply take a picture at the moment. So I'll select the option of choose from camera roll. So from here you need to select the photo which you want to keep as your profile. So I'll simply select a random photo for now. So let's say if I want to keep this photo as my profile, then I'll simply select it, and you may also zoom in, zoom out and do the option of yours. So click on the option of choose, which is at the very bottom right, and as you can see, the profile has been changed on my day 1 journal app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.